Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Olapisi, your favorite Yoruba tutorials. You miss me because I missed you. And briefly in this video, we are going to be having a test. Yes, just to test our skills and Yoruba learning skills. We've learned a lot on this channel, and right now we are going to be testing ourselves. So we really love to read your comments, and we love to know your thoughts, and we love to know how many you got right out of these questions in this particular test we are about to do. And so even if you do not get any, do not feel bad. There's always chance for improvement. You are learning. Yes, you are learning, so there's always room for improvement. And as far as you don't stop learning, then you are prone to get better. Okay, so now let's get started. So the first one is, how do you say I'm hungry in Yoruba language? How do you say that? I'm going to use my timer, so I'm going to count just 1 to 5, and you have to say the answer. 1. So again, the question is, how do you say I'm hungry in Yoruba? 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. How do you say it? Ebi ń pa mí. Ebi ń pa mí. Good. Do you get that? Next one is, how do you say good evening in Yoruba language? Good evening. Good evening. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good evening. Politely, you say ekurole, and casually, you say kurole, kurole, kurole. Okay, now let's move to more tough questions. So if you are passing and someone says ode, ode near, ode. What does ode means in English language? What does ode means? If someone says to you ode, what is the meaning? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ode means a fool. Yeah, a fool. If you don't know this and you would like to know more about stuff like this, insultive words that may sound as a compliment to you, then check my video, or right now I should be tagging it, so check it out, ensure you watch it. It will be very, very helpful for you. Okay, now the second one is this. How do you say it's been a while in Yoruba language? It's been a while. How do you say that in Yoruba language? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ẹ kú ijọ́ mẹ́ta. Ẹ kú ijọ́ mẹ́ta. And casually, you say kú ijọ́ mẹ́ta, kú ijọ́ mẹ́ta. Or you say ó tójọ́ mẹ́ta, ó tójọ́ mẹ́ta. You can also say ó di fírífírí, ó di fírífírí. Now, the next question is this. Introduce yourself in the next few seconds. Just say your name, your country, where you're working, if you're a student or you're working, in Yoruba language. Now, let's see that. I'm going to be counting to 10 yes for this question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Orúkọ mi ni, you say your name. That's the first thing. Orúkọ mi ni Olabisi. Ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nigeria ni mi, that means I'm a Nigerian. Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni mi, I'm a student. Mo ń ṣiṣẹ́ ní ilé-iṣẹ́ ABC. I'm working at ABC company. That's just it. Okay, so the next question is this. How do you say I'm not Yoruba, but I'm learning how to speak Yoruba? Or I'm Yoruba, but I'm learning how to speak Yoruba fluently? That's 2 questions. So if you are not Yoruba, the question you are going to be answering is that I'm not Yoruba, but I'm learning how to speak Yoruba. And if you are Yoruba, then what you are going to be saying is, I'm Yoruba, but I'm learning how to speak Yoruba fluently. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 10 for this as well. Let's get straight into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm Yoruba, but I'm learning how to speak Yoruba fluently. Yorùbá ni mí, ṣùgbọ́n mò ń kọ́ láti sọ Yorùbá dáradára. Ṣùgbọ́n mò ń kọ́ láti sọ Yorùbá gerege. That's just a pro. Yeah, that's not the pro. Now, I'm not Yoruba, but I'm learning how to speak Yoruba. Mi ò kí ń ṣe Yorùbá, ṣùgbọ́n mò ń kọ́ láti sọ èdè Yorùbá. Okay? If this is your first time here, this is Learn Yoruba with Olabisi, a channel where you get to learn everything about Yoruba, its food, culture, traditions, and every other thing. This is a channel where you get to learn. And I'm sorry for not dropping videos regularly these days. I'm having issues with my phone, like I said in one of my community posts. I'm just using my sister's phone, and I'm sorry for the inconsistency. Very soon, by God's grace, I'll be posting regularly. And if you like to enroll in my one-on-one training, online one-on-one training, you can read, you can check the comments, you can check the description, and you see a link where to book a consultation with me. This is the last question. Say 1 to 5 in Yoruba language. I'm going to count from 1 to 5. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ọ̀kan, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún. Or you say ẹyọ̀kan, méjì, mẹ́ta, mẹ́rin, márùn. Or you say ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún. Now let me know in the comment section if you love this section, if you love this video. Let me know your thoughts about this video, and let me know how many you got right out of these questions. I hope this video helps you. Looking forward to see you be speaking Yoruba, understanding Yoruba perfectly, and speaking like a native. Do not forget to subscribe and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.